If you are ready to turn your backyard, living room, or camping site into a high-end cinema, the Lisowod Portable 4K Projector 2026 Upgraded is the smartest, most effortless way to do it. Packed with advanced AI features and genuine high-fidelity audio, this projector removes all the tech friction, like focusing, leveling, and app hunting, that usually keeps people from actually using their home projectors. Why the Lisowod 2026 Smart Projector is a cinematic powerhouse. True AI automation. Stop fighting with manual dials. The AI Movin 2.0 OS handles everything for you. With AI autofocus and intelligent Keystone Correction, this projector analyzes the screen and environment to deliver a perfectly sharp, rectangular image in seconds, whether you're projecting against a white wall or a portable screen. The Content Hub, with over 5,000 plus official apps directly accessible through its smart interface, you have every streaming service you could want at your fingertips without needing to plug in extra dongles or cables. It is truly plug-and-play entertainment. Theater-grade audio and vision. While most projectors require external speakers to sound halfway decent, this unit packs 50W Dolby audio, delivering a deep, immersive soundstage that handles movie soundtracks with power. Combined with HDR10+ support, you get vivid, high-contrast visuals that look vibrant even when projected at a massive scale. Portable and connected. Built for mobility, it features seamless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Whether you're pairing it with your favorite soundbar, connecting a gaming console, or streaming directly from your phone, it integrates perfectly into any modern tech ecosystem. Perfect for the big screen enthusiast. If you want a massive 100+ inch viewing experience without the permanence and cost of a giant OLED TV, this is your solution. Outdoor movie nights. Its portable design and massive audio output make it the absolute king of backyard movie nights, camping trips, or garage parties. Smart home users. If you want a projector that is as easy to use as your smartphone, the AI-driven operating system makes this the most user-friendly choice for everyone in the family. It is rare to find a projector that hits that sweet spot of high-end image quality, genuinely great built-in sound, and a smart OS that actually works. If you are ready to stop watching on a small screen and want to experience your movies with the impact they deserve, click the link below for the best price.